For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Tezos' way of magnificence was difficult by any stretch of the imagination. Notwithstanding, in spite of all hindrances, the digital currency was picking up speed quickly. 2 years after the send-off, XTZ has been recorded on more than 10 monster crypto trades, including. We will look at XTZ intently and give you an extensive cost expectation about Tezos cryptographic money. How does Tezos work, which is genuinely huge? Tezos most certainly is a blockchain network for sending off truly decentralized applications, dApps, and executing savvy contracts. Admittance to the program code is open, and every client can partake in the framework modernization. The multi-stage engineering of Tezos permits clients to refresh the organization without hard forks. The framework is partitioned into 3 modules, the network module, the transaction module, the consensus module, which truly is very huge. The code of the blockchain biological system is written in the OCaml script, which makes it conceivable to autonomously update every one of the convention levels. In 2014, Arthur, a truly previous Morgan Stanley examiner, and Caitlin Brightman had a plan to make Tezos. To send off their undertaking, they held an extremely fruitful eco-pretty initial coin offering. In 2017, the couple figured out how to raise $232 million, making it the most certainly the biggest eco round then. In any case, for the most part because of inner issues, the execution of the undertaking was deferred. Thus, the coin never entered the trades at the delegated time. This caused alarm among the financial backers, and really a few court procedures were started against the task pioneers. In 2018, a beta form of the undertaking was delivered, yet it didn't figure out how to save what is going on. Deluded financial backers hurried to sell their tokens for an amazing bargain, trying to return speculations, which caused the breakdown of the conversion scale. The engineers needed to generally make up for lost time rapidly. Network tests started in pre-fall 2018, and the coin was completely sent off in the fall, which is genuinely huge. Until this point in time, Tezos is a digital currency that dispenses with key hindrances to blockchain reception by the world local area. Among its highlights, coming up next are actually significant, intelligent agreement security. At the institutional level, shrewd agreements are written in the Michelson-situated programming language, which ensures total security of exchanges. Possibility of a drawn-out redesign. Tezos' secluded design and formal update system permit the organization to offer and especially execute new mechanical developments consistently as they become accessible. Joined with the Tezos invoicing component, these angles truly empower the convention to take care of the spreading issue without forfeiting the local area agreement. Open support. Rather than diggers, the XTZ cryptographic money is acquired by cooks. The liquid proof of stake (LPOS) agreement calculation permits each coin proprietor to take part in baking. This is the thing the Tezos network calls handling exchanges and producing new blocks. To prepare, you want to introduce a full hub on especially your PC and present an application on the authority site. Dough punchers are compensated with XTZ coins. In the event of an endeavor to swindle the framework, sanctions up to store seizure are forced. Tezos price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Tezos costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Tezos will be $2.15, which especially is genuinely critical. The greatest level that the XTZ cost can reach is $2.35. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $2.23 in an unobtrusive manner. XTZ price forecast for September 2022 amazingly. In light of the value changes of Tezos toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists for the most part expect the typical XTZ pace of $2 in September 2022, which is genuinely critical. Its truly least and greatest costs can be anticipated at $1.81 and at $2.06, separately. October 2022, Tezos price forecast. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the XTZ cost in October 2022. The by and large least exchanging cost could generally be $2, while the greatest could reach $2.16 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Tezos may be around $2.08, which is very critical. XTZ price forecast for November 2022. Crypto experts in every way that really matters have actually looked at the value variances of Tezos in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal XTZ rate they anticipate may be around $2.14 in November 2022. It can drop to $2.07 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $2.24. December 2022, Tezos price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the XTZ cost will be exchanged at $2.23 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Tezos worth to $2.35. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $2.15 in December 2022. Tezos price prediction 2023. Incredibly, after the examination of the costs of Tezos in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base costs of Tezos will be around $3.03. The genuinely most extreme expected XTZ cost might be around $3.76. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $3.14 in 2023. Tezos price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Tezos, in 2024, XTZ is supposed to have the accompanying genuinely least and most extreme costs, about $4.67 and $5.29, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $4.80. Tezos price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of Tezos and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base XTZ cost could drop to $6.59, while its greatest can reach $8.05. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $6.83. Tezos price prediction 2026, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. In view of the examination of the expenses of Tezos by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and especially least XTZ costs are normal in 2026, $11.55 and $9.68. Amazingly, all things considered, it will be exchanged at $10.02. Tezos price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists fundamentally are continually examining the